Our bodies rely on a balance of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients to function properly. When we don't get enough of these essential elements, it can lead to various health issues. Understanding the hidden signs that your body is craving certain nutrients can help you address deficiencies before they become serious problems. This video explores 10 subtle indicators that your body may be lacking vital nutrients. Sign 1. Craving sweet or salty foods. Explanation of sugar and salt cravings. Cravings for sugar or salt are common, but they might be more than just a desire for a treat. Often, these cravings are a signal that your body is missing certain nutrients. Possible nutrient deficiencies. Magnesium. Low magnesium levels can lead to sugar cravings. Magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels and helps manage stress, which can also reduce sugar cravings. Chromium. This mineral is essential for carbohydrate and fat metabolism. A deficiency in chromium can lead to increased cravings for sweets. Sodium. Sometimes a craving for salty foods indicates a need for sodium. This is particularly common when your body is dehydrated or under stress. Sign 2. Frequent fatigue and low energy. Connection between nutrient deficiency and energy levels. Feeling constantly tired despite adequate rest might indicate a nutrient deficiency. Nutrients play a crucial role in energy production, and their absence can lead to chronic fatigue. Key nutrients involved. Iron, essential for the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to your cells. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, causing fatigue and weakness. Vitamin B12, this vitamin is vital for the production of red blood cells and proper nerve function. A deficiency can lead to fatigue, memory problems, and even depression. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is crucial for energy levels. Deficiency can lead to fatigue, muscle weakness, and bone pain. Sign 3. Dry skin and hair. How nutrient deficiencies affect skin and hair health. Dry skin and hair can be more than just a cosmetic issue. They often indicate underlying nutritional deficiencies. Important nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for maintaining the skin's barrier function. Deficiency can lead to dry, flaky skin. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, biotin deficiency can cause dry, brittle hair and skin. Vitamin E, this antioxidant is vital for skin health. A lack of vitamin E can lead to dry skin and hair. Sign 4. Brittle nails. Relationship between brittle nails and nutrient deficiencies. Brittle nails can be a sign of various deficiencies, affecting their strength and appearance. Nutrients to consider. Biotin. A lack of biotin can cause nails to become weak and brittle. Zinc. Zinc deficiency is associated with nail abnormalities, including white spots and ridges. Calcium. Nails need calcium to maintain their strength. A deficiency can result in brittle, weak nails. Sign 5. Mood swings and depression. The link between nutrition and mental health. Mental health issues, including mood swings and depression, can often be linked to nutritional deficiencies. Essential nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are crucial for brain function and mood regulation. Deficiency can increase the risk of depression. Magnesium. This mineral helps regulate neurotransmitters that control mood. Low magnesium levels are linked to anxiety and depression. Vitamin D. Low levels of vitamin D are associated with an increased risk of depression. Sun exposure is a primary source, but supplements can help. Sign 6. Muscle cramps and spasms. How lack of certain nutrients can cause muscle issues. Muscle cramps and spasms are common complaints that can often be traced back to nutrient deficiencies. Critical nutrients. Magnesium. This mineral is crucial for muscle function. A deficiency can lead to cramps and spasms. Potassium. Potassium helps regulate muscle contractions. Low levels can result in muscle weakness and cramps. Calcium. Calcium is essential for muscle contraction. A deficiency can cause muscle spasms and cramps. Sign 7. Poor memory and cognitive decline. Nutrient impact on brain function. Cognitive decline and memory issues can often be linked to inadequate nutrition. Key nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are essential for brain health. A deficiency can impair cognitive function and increase the risk of dementia. Vitamin B12, vital for nerve health and cognitive function. Vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to memory loss and cognitive decline. Antioxidants. nutrients like vitamin C and E protect brain cells from oxidative stress, supporting memory and cognitive function. Sign 8. Cracks at the corners of your mouth. How nutrient deficiencies can cause mouth sores. Cracks at the corners of your mouth, also known as angular cheilitis, can be a sign of certain nutrient deficiencies. Relevant nutrients. Iron. Iron deficiency can lead to dry, cracked skin around the mouth. B vitamins. Deficiencies in B vitamins, particularly B2 riboflavin and B3 niacin, can cause sores at the corners of the mouth. Zinc. Low levels of zinc can impair healing and increase the risk of mouth sores. Sign 9. Hair loss. Connection between hair loss and nutritional deficiencies. Hair loss can be distressing and is often linked to various nutritional deficiencies. Essential nutrients. Iron. Iron is crucial for hair growth. Deficiency can lead to hair thinning and loss. Biotin. This B vitamin is vital for hair health. A lack of biotin can lead to hair loss. Vitamin D. Low levels of vitamin D are linked to hair loss, including conditions like alopecia. Sign 10. Frequent infections or illness. The role of nutrients in immune function. A weakened immune system can make you prone to frequent infections. Nutritional deficiencies are often at the root of this issue. Important nutrients. Vitamin C. Essential for immune function, vitamin C helps in the production of white blood cells. Deficiency can increase the risk of infections. Zinc. This mineral is crucial for immune cell function. Zinc deficiency can impair immune response and increase susceptibility to infections. Selenium. Selenium plays a key role in antioxidant protection and immune function. A deficiency can weaken your immune system. Conclusion. Understanding these hidden signs of nutrient deficiencies can empower you to take proactive steps toward better health. While these symptoms can indicate a lack of vital nutrients, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. Regular blood tests and a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help you maintain optimal health and prevent deficiencies. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.